Dan and Adi welcome you to High Auto, a small and friendly business based near Derby in the Midlands. We pride ourselves on our high preparation standards, unbeatable value for money and fantastic customer service. Every vehicle we sell is HPI clear, receives a full and thorough independent inspection, has recently been serviced and MOT'd, and is also professionally valeted to an exceptional standard. We make buying your next car straightforward and stress-free. We can deliver your car with a 14-day money-back guarantee. We also offer click and collect services with contactless handovers, so buying your next car is easy and safe. Every car comes with at least 6 months national warranty and breakdown cover provided by Warrantywise for free. And unlike many other car sellers, we put the highest level of cover on your car that is possible, giving you great peace of mind. We are also partnered with Close Brothers Motor Finance and Evolution Funding, so we make financing your car quick and simple and offer very competitive interest rates. We also welcome Zuto and Car Finance 24/7 customers. Have you got a part exchange? Well, we offer the best possible price for your current car. Contact us today for evaluation. At High Auto, we are confident we can provide you with a car that you'll love at a price you'll be delighted with. Visit our website today or call us on 01332 585151. Hi, I'm Dan from High Auto. We're going to take this fantastic Ford C-Max automatic titanium for a test drive. Slip it down into drive and away we go. So we do these test drive videos at High Auto to give you a feel for how the car drives, as well as to demonstrate that everything works as it should, to hopefully help you make a decision from the comfort of your own home. So the car pulls away very smoothly, gearbox feels great, barely feel the gear changes at all, it's very smooth. Suspension is great over these bumps, brakes feel good, steering feels good, so the car is driving spot on as it should, and it is a really nice car to drive, the C-Max. Great visibility, very comfortable. It's also got great specification on this model. So you've got the Sony Multimedia system here with DAB radio, as well as FM and AM and CD player. You've got auxiliary input, USB port, Bluetooth for both your mobile phone, hands-free, and audio streaming. So loads of different ways to connect your devices. Ford really were ahead of their time when they had all that on their cars back in 2012. You've also got dual zone climate control, so the passenger can have it a different temperature to the driver should they wish. You've got a heated front windscreen, great for the winter, no scraping required on those icy mornings. A lovely leather multifunction steering wheel with controls for the comprehensive trip computer, cruise control, stereo, phone system, all at your fingertips. Plenty of power, easing up this steep hill. You've also got automatic headlights, automatic windscreen wipers, reversing sensors, auto dimming rear view mirror, electric windows front and rear, electric door mirrors. Got this neat pop out, mirror here as well, which is good for keeping your eye on the kids in the back. So Ford has thought of an awful lot. It's really flexible. You can remove the rear seats and adjust them individually. You can even take them out, which makes it a bit like a van. It's a really practical, versatile car indeed. So thank you for watching. I hope that's been useful for you. Take care and bye for now.